Hello friends, it's Miss Nora with the CH Booth Library, and I am here today with our May STEAM Challenge for you to pick up in the children's department and take home and have some fun with. So this month we will be making kaleidoscopes, and kaleidoscopes are toys that reflect colored objects onto mirrors that you can see the reflection as it's turned. So in your bag will be everything you need to make your kaleidoscope. There'll be a part of a paper towel roll. There'll be some mirrored paper. There'll be some white discs that you can color with bright colors. The bright colors are going to reflect onto your mirrored prism better than if they're muted. So the brighter the better. And then I went ahead and decorated my paper towel holder. I used some washi tape, or you can use markers or paint or whatever you have at home. You'll supply that. So I went ahead and decorated my paper towel roll, and then I we'll have all the measurements to cut your mirrored paper, and then I folded it to make a prism and taped it so that the mirror is on the inside. That'll fit very easily inside your paper towel roll. And you'll have a bendy straw in there. And you can put your decorated disc onto your paper towel roll. And then when you turn it, you can see, I'll try and get it on there. As you turn it, you can see the reflected part into the mirror, and you will have made a prism. So we'll also have some books out for you, and they will be about, let's say, about light and sound, and this is the science of tricks of sound and light that you might be interested in. This book's interesting. This is a kid's book of experiments with light, so you could do some more experiments at home after you make your kaleidoscope. And we'll have other books out for you too. So it's a fun way to explore light and reflections and symmetry. And we hope to see you soon in the children's department, picking up your bag and some books to go along with it.